In this video, I want to take you through and I want to show you how I use TradeMiner stocks to analyze my stock portfolio and to take some of these trades over into track and trade. Now the first thing you'll notice is that I've come into the first tab and I've done my search criteria. And you'll notice what I've done is I've come down here and we've got a couple of days to go. So I've just picked all of the markets that come up within September 22nd, which is upcoming here in a couple of days. And you'll notice, look at this one, ISIS Pharmaceuticals. That's kind of an unfortunate name right now, isn't it? Who do you work for? Oh, I work for ISIS. Think of the stares you might get. All right, anyway, we're going to take our portfolio over to step number 2. And you can see that this is step number 2, and I've got a nice little covering here. And the one I'm actually most interested in is this Manhattan Associates. And you'll notice that it's got an average profit of 18%. And it starts on September 22nd and closes October 27th. And over the last 15 years, it's done pretty well during this time frame with an average profit of 18%. So what I want to do is I want to just jump over to track and trade. And we're going to take this information from MANH, Manhattan Associates, MANH. And you'll see that we're right out here. This is the September 17th. We still got a couple of days. The 22nd is out here a little ways. And so what I like to do is kind of draw a line in the sand is what I like to do with this. I like to come in here. And of course, we'll do this right on the 22nd, but we're a couple of days out, but I'll do it as if today is the 22nd. So that's our horizontal line. It's kind of like I'm going to draw the line in the sand. And I'm anticipating that the market is going to be up and it's going to rally into this region 18%. So an 18% profit on my money at least. And so what I'm going to do now is now that I've got the line drawn in the sand, I anticipate the market being above this line, I'm going to do my technical analysis. So this is where I come in and I start analyzing the market. And I'm going to come back here and just show you from the top point. We're coming down off of this 1, 2, 3 formation, and it's come down and we hit 130.9 right here where the majority of these price bars are. I'm kind of discounting this big drop because it came right back the very same day. So this is kind of over exuberance. And it came down to 161.8 and clear past 200% right down in here. So again, like I said, I'm going to kind of discount this bar right here. And what I want to show you now is that we have this beautiful little triangle formation that came in here with a nice area of support across the bottom and resistance across the top. And so you can see that we have a nice little pattern right there. Now this is a little pattern where if it breaks out the top, we continue to go long. If it breaks out the bottom, we go short. So this market broke out the top. We have the confirmation of the bulls and bears as well as the advantage lines, and this market started to rally. Now our TradeMiner has told us that we are anticipating that this market is going to be above this line, and I'm going to draw a day line out here, and it says between the 22nd to October 27th. So it's about, well, that's a little over 30 days, like right in there. That's kind of our zone right there. So this is kind of where we're going to anticipate that this market's going to rally up into here. Now this market's already started to rally. So my next thought on this would be that we might get a little bit of a drawdown in here. So if we look and we wait, just kind of watch, because this market's made a nice run up, and markets don't just keep going. Well, they kind of do sometimes, but I'm anticipating this market. We might get a little pullback into this region, maybe not, but if this market breaks above here, and we got a couple days decisions point to make, we've still got 2 days to decide on this. But if this market pulls back just a little bit for us, gives us a second opportunity to get in on a long position. This is what we're going to anticipate on this market, this daily Manhattan Associations. And we're going to do that based on the technical nature of the market as well as the fundamental nature that we're getting, or the seasonal cycle or trend that we're getting from TradeMiner. Now I'm going to take my 1, 2, 3 Fibonacci tool, and I'm going to come on here and I'm just going to project up onto this market where we might anticipate this thing going. I'm going to discount this long bar and take this one here up to here. If we get a little pullback into this region here, maybe back to the 50% level or something in this region, we could anticipate a rally on this market to come up and start testing some of these highs. Again, back up, breaking this one here, but not only that one, we got this point up here that we could look forward to, which, as you can see on the Fibonacci scale, is right up here into the 100 to 130% range. So this is the overall long-term projection for this particular market based on the fundamentals and the technicals, both coming from TradeMiner as well as track and trade.